Guys, it's the Motherland 2.0 and I'm back with another video, and this is how to make a Lego Balisong. And a Balisong is just a butterfly knife. It's really easy. So first you're going to get one of these triangle bits and then one of these 6x1 Lego pieces, and then you're going to put 3 studs in the triangle bit like this, and then you're going to get another one, and then you're going to do the same but on the other side, so it looks like that. And then you're going to get one of these grey bits, and then you push it through, and then another one, and then you push it through, and then you're going to get one of these 7 hole thingies, and you do this, and then another one, put it on, and then do that again but on the back. So put one of these in, and then put in this in here. And you might be thinking, why is it all breaking like this? It's not really breaking, it's just that these bits haven't been stuck into place by each other. So you can use the same thing that you used to stick these in, or you can use these and these. That's what I did. So you're going to put it on this one, and then you're going to get a blue or a grey one, and then you're going to put it on the same side, and then you're going to you have to do it like this because it just looks cool, and also because it helps it a lot. It can go through, so that's good. And then you're going to go and do the same, and then another one, and then you push it in, and then you're going to go and here, right, so just give it a little wiggle test, see if it doesn't get stuck, and then there you go. And here we go. I'm going to do some tricks. I forgot something around, so I'm going to do a trick. Can you turn that down, please? I'm going to do a trick. Aerial. I didn't land it properly, but I'm going to do it this time. There you go. There you go. And then you can just do. So yeah, that's how you make a Lego Balisong.